What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download Binance app on your PC or your laptop. So firstly what you got to do is to open a browser and you're going to open Google. Here on Google you're going to search for Binance app, like so. If you scroll down a little bit, as you can see here we have the download for Binance app. You're going to open it. And now you're going to scroll down again till you see download Binance app for desktop. You're going to click on Windows, like so. Then you're going to set a destination for your download. After you did that, all you have to do is to click on save. As you can see now, we can click on here and start the installing process for our Binance app. You're going to set a language for your Binance app. I'm going with English. Then you're going to set the destination where Binance app will download. Then you're going to click on install. Now you're going to wait. And as you can see, Binance has been installed on our PC, so let's click on finish. And as simple as this, as you can see, we downloaded Binance app on our PC. Now you can sign up for an account, or if you have one, you can log in with it. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.